Okay guys, something special on the menu. We have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade, $120,000. Customer just got it. It's brand spanking new. And we're going to black out this truck. They did not have the blacked out edition. So with the computer chip shortage, it's very difficult to get what you want. You will take what you can get and pay extra for it. So he got the truck, but it's not blacked out. So we're going to black out everything that's chrome around the windows, underneath the door. We're going to paint the door handles, powder coat the wheels. Now on this front grille, we're going to change the grille. We have a different honeycomb grille we're going to put on it. We're going to change the Cadillac emblem. We're going to black out the roof rack. We're going to black out this trim at the bottom. We're going to black out the trim in the back. Let me show you the new grille. Want to grab that box out of there for me, please, sir? So we're going to take the front clip loose and change out this grille because it's a sportier look. So you can bring us parts and we will install it for you. So if you notice, this grille has got a honeycomb look to it. We're going to paint it black and put it on. I want you guys to see this truck on the inside. It's beautiful. I mean, Cadillac did a great job. Got TVs in the back. Man, that new car smell it's amazing. TVs in the back. Still got the plastic on it, you know, plastic here. Okay. Look at this screen. Still got the plastic on it, okay? We're talking, he's only had it for 3 days. And he trusts this car with us because this is the second car, third car we've done for this guy. And we stand behind our work. And we take pride in what we do. So if you want to get your car blacked out, the dealership doesn't have the option you want, have no fear. Bring it to My Will Doctor. We'll take care of it for you. I will show you the finished product on this truck. MyWillDoctor.com, 713-942-0294.